if y equal to cos square sin x, find y dash. So this sum we are going to bring in the concept of chain rule. That is, usually when we are finding out the derivative, we will be having the functions of the form y equal to cos square x, or we will be having it as y equal to sin square x. But here we are having it like y equal to cos square sin x, a function within a function. So it is absolutely understood that we are going to bring in the chain rule concept. So let's see how we are going to find out the derivative. So for our convenience, okay, let the inner function sin x, let's take it as some capital A for convenience, okay. So therefore y equal to cos square sin x will become cos square A, okay. This implies y dash equal to, okay. So how we are going to find out the derivative in this case? Let's see. So you can do it in many ways possible. You can either split it as cos A into cos A and find out the derivative. That is also right. Or you can follow this way what I am going to do it now. A new method, that's it. Not a new method, that is in my videos. This is a new method which I am going to show you. That is, this can be done as 2 cos the power of the cosine function, reduce it by 1. 2 minus 1, it's going to be just 1, into the cosine function, find out the derivative. Derivative of the cosine function, it's going to be minus sine A, and the derivative of the inner function A dash. Okay, I repeat it to you. We are having cos square A. Usually when we have x power n, we write it as nx power n minus 1, right? The same concept here. When we have a trigonometric function with the power, the work which we do is the power, we will be writing it as the coefficient, okay, and the function will be written with the power reduced by 1. That is, the power, it's written as the coefficient, and the same trigonometric function, it is written with the power which is reduced by 1 from the original power. That is, instead of cos square A, it is just cos A now. Then in the next, that is the next term will be, find out the derivative of the trigonometric function, main trigonometric function, that is minus sine A. That is derivative of the cos function, it is minus sine A. And then the inner function, we are having it as A, right? Find out the derivative, that's nothing but A dash, okay. So now, in the place of A, okay, we are going to replace it as sin x, but not now. Wait and see when we are going to do that. So this is going to be minus 2. Let's write the sine function in front. Minus 2 sin A cos A into A dash. What I have done, I brought the negative sign in front. Then I wrote the sine function first and then the cosine function. Okay, because this is similar to the identity, since 2 sin A cos A, this is nothing but sine 2A, am I right? So that work only we are going to do here. So the negative sign, have it as it is. This 2 sin A cos A can be replaced as sine 2A into A dash. Now replace A as sin x here. So this is minus sine 2 times of sin x into A dash, that is sin x the whole dash. Okay, so this is minus sine 2 sin x into derivative of the sin x function, it's nothing but cos x. That's it. This is one of the way. Let me show you the other way also now. So this will be an lighter or an alternative method. We are having y equal to cos square A. Am I right? So this can be written as cos A into cos A. Very simple way. Okay. So y dash it will be, first find out, that is first have cos A as it is, find out the derivative of the next cosine function, minus sine A into, okay. So this inner function A also has to be identified with the derivative A dash. Then have the next cos function as it is, okay. Find out the derivative of the first cos function, that is minus sine A into the derivative of a again. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. This cosine function, derivative of the next cos function. This cosine function, derivative of the first cosine function. That's it. So this is like minus sine a cos a. I've just done the swapping work. Okay, into a dash minus sine a cos a into a dash. They both are like terms, right? So we can add. So minus sine a cos a dash. Minus sine a cos a dash. Minus 2 sine a cos a into a dash. So this is again nothing but minus sine 2a into a dash. Now replace a as sin x. So this will be minus sine 2 of sin x into sin x the whole dash, that is the derivative of the sin x function. So this will be minus sine 2 of sin x into derivative of sin x, it is cos x. That's it. So I have shown you the two different ways of finding the derivative of cos square sin x. That's it. Thank you.